Today, I'm talking about my favorite wedding photography product, the wedding album. We build our wedding photography packages to include a fine art album for a handful of reasons that benefit both our business and our clients. They increase value for our clients and profits for our business. Once again, bolstering our motto that serving your clients well will serve you well. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to VisionArt, our choice for wedding album company that we've been using for over a decade. I'm going to talk about the various reasons why we love these albums, and our clients do too. Then I'm going to unbox a new sample album so you can see for yourself why these albums are a great addition to your photography packages. And then in the coming weeks, VisionArt is sponsoring 2 more videos where I'll dive into the 7 reasons why your clients need a fine art album and how to include albums in your photography packages. Be sure to subscribe so that you can hear more about the ways that offering fine art albums can benefit your photography business. I'm Brenda Bergreen, and I've been a professional photographer for over a decade alongside my husband, Mark. On this channel, we share gear reviews and practical photography tips to help you elevate your photography skills and your business. Let's dive into my review of VisionArt. Let me start by saying that while they offered to sponsor the content that I'll be presenting to you over this fine art album series, they didn't require that I give them any input on what I say or how I say it. We've been a loyal customer of VisionArt, using them as albums for our clients as well as for our own personal family photos. As I mentioned, I'll talk about the importance of albums in a future video, but let's talk about why VisionArt. We first found VisionArt at a trade show where we looked at and compared numerous album companies. VisionArt immediately appealed to us because of the album styles that we'll talk about in a minute. However, one of the big reasons that we haven't hesitated to stick with VisionArt for over a decade is that they provide incredible customer support. The album design and ordering process is smooth and worry-free because we know that if we do make a mistake, their team is knowledgeable and responsive. If they notice anything awry with an album design or even our images, they'll confirm and even provide easy solutions before printing. Their consistent attention to detail and commitment to excellence is like having another team member ensuring that we deliver high-quality products to our clients. Now, to what initially attracted us to VisionArt albums. These albums are both high quality and durable, as they're crafted with top-of-the-line materials that last. From the thick lay-flat pages to the durable binding, each album is designed to be a long-lasting heirloom. In fact, we've given some of these albums to venues to use to showcase their space, and these albums then endure heavy abuse, unlike the care that a couple might give to their own possession. We show them at bridal shows where hundreds of hands flip through the album in one day, and they've held up really well over time. From the thick lay-flat pages to the durable binding, each album is designed to be a long-lasting heirloom. In fact, we've given some of these albums to venues to use to showcase their space, and those albums endure heavy abuse, unlike the care a couple might give their own possessions. They show them at bridal shows where hundreds of hands flip through the album in one day, and they've held up really well over time. Their lay-flat design, which means there's a fold here instead of a seam, lets you design spreads straight across without any disruption in the middle. This is great whether they're storytelling collages or full image panoramas. This feature brings photos to life, especially those wide shots that capture the essence of the day. We always include a few full image spreads in our album designs, and they add an impact to the viewing experience that our clients love. Their soft touch matte finish feels premium, enhancing the tactile experience of the album. This unique finish adds a touch of luxury that's hard to find elsewhere. Additionally, VisionArt's fine art printing process uses archival inks and high-quality paper that captures every detail and depth in the images, preserving color, texture, and tone with impressive accuracy and consistency. In fact, we used to ship albums to our studio so that we could review them first, but now we trust VisionArt so much that we drop ship directly to our clients, saving us time and getting them their albums faster. We also love that VisionArt is committed to sustainability, using eco-friendly materials and practices in their production, which is great for those who value environmentally responsible craftsmanship. Beyond the quality of the albums, we love having an album that fits our style. As you can see from their website, Visionart offers a variety of customization options. You can offer your clients a wide range of choices, from cover materials and colors to unique embossing options, which can help you design albums that reflect each couple's style or fits various budgets. Personally, what attracted us to Visionart was the photo wrap cover, which we now use for all our wedding albums. If a client came to us with a specific vision for an album, we would for sure customize for them. But since most of our clients don't know what they want, our albums are designed in a timeless way that we think really highlights the wedding images. The photo wrap cover allows the book to be art itself and showcase one of our landscape portraits that we're known for. This allows people to see the book on a coffee table or a bookshelf and be inspired to open it after previewing the quality of photography to be found within the book. So now, let's unbox a new sample album to see how it turned out.
Across the track, started my eyes, kissed it goodbye, cause no, it's never going easy. I drove across this mountain high, I set my sights on empty skies, cause love, no, it never breaks easy. Cause love, no, it never breaks easy. Let me break your heart of stone, put to use these fragile bones, jumping into the unknown, just be adventurous. You could be my wrecking ball, shiver, shake, and watch them fall. Learn to love these hidden walls, just be adventurous.
So there it is, the 9x12 album with the photo wrap cover and the black end pages. Everything is customizable. Remember, Visionart is sponsoring 2 upcoming videos to help you understand how and why including fine art albums in your photography packages will benefit your clients and your business. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. We're going to talk about the 7 reasons your clients need a fine art album, and then we're going to break down the how and why of including albums in your photography packages. Next up, you might want to check out our video on capturing those moments that will fill your wedding albums. I'll see you over there.